The Daily Code Snippet. With these videos, we have been defining colors using different systems, but have not yet taken the time to explain those systems. So for the next episodes, we will be discussing how to add color to the web. The first and most basic system to define color is to use the color name system. In this system, colors are represented by predefined names. There are about 147 color names supported by all browsers. This system is rarely used because of the limited color palette, and for most people, other than maybe black, white, red, blue, and yellow, it is difficult to remember the rest of the color names acceptable to browsers. 17 of these colors are considered standard. Here are the colors used in the property background color: aqua, black, blue, fuchsia, gray, green, lime, maroon, navy, olive, orange, purple, red, silver, teal, white, and yellow. This is how they would display. The color name system is useful when you are trying to do something quickly, need a basic color, and do not have the time to look up a hexadecimal code or RGB mix, which will be discussed next. To see all 147 colors, check out this cool tool created by Commuter Creative at http://www.colors.commutercreative.com. The RGB color system represents the colors red, green, and blue. When red, green, and blue light are added together in different ways, they create a broad range of colors. It is an additive color model. This means the light spectra wavelengths are added together to create the final color. It is different from the CMYK color system that is used for print that represents cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, which is a subtractive color model that would apply to paints, inks, and dyes. In a subtractive model, the resultant color depends on the way a substrate reflects the light. In an additive model, the colors combined together create white, while in a subtractive model, the colors mixed create black. If all component colors have zero intensity, the result is black. If all components have the same intensity, the result is gray. When the intensities of each differ, the result is a hue. If a single component has a strong intensity, the hue will near the primary color: red, green, or blue. When two components have the same strong intensity, you will generate a secondary color: cyan, magenta, yellow. Cyan is green plus blue, magenta is blue plus red, and yellow is red plus green. Each secondary color is a complement to a primary color. Red complements cyan, green complements magenta, and blue complements yellow. In practice with the RGB model, the values of red, green, and blue are expressed as numbers between 0 and 255. So, RGB 000 is black, RGB 255 is white, RGB 128 is a gray, and RGB 102, 255, and 153 is a green. Here are the same 17 colors in the background color property using RGB color instead. Aqua is 0, 255, black is 000, blue is 255, 255 is fuchsia, 128 is gray, 128 is green, 255 is lime, 128 is maroon, 128 is navy, 128 is olive, 255 is 0 is orange, 128 is purple, 255 is red, 192 is silver, 128 is teal, 255 is white, 255 0 is yellow. This is how it would display. Presented by Designers Learn Code.